So this is the beautiful living and dining area with the interior, and the kitchen area is pretty good spacious, isn't it? It's master bedroom, so this is the entrance for the master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Purva Somerset House, which is located in Gundi, Chennai, a project by Purvankara Group. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK sample flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, I am on the exact land parcel of the project where there are the towers. So this is the land parcel of the project. And if you want more details of the project about the sales office, yes. So the sales office is on the first floor of this tower itself. And as you can check out, the construction work is completed. So this is totally a ready to move in property. You just need to pack your stuffs and move in. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here which connect you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So this project is constructed in total 1.92 acres of land parcel with 4 towers, with each tower of 3 basement ground plus 12 floors, and in this project you will be getting exclusive 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK and 5 BHK imperial mansions premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. So this project provides you world-class amenities like of clubhouse, snooker, swimming pool, kids play area, landscape garden, barbecue, party hall and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located on Pfeiffer Long Road in Gundi, Chennai. So let me show you that this road is the Pfeiffer Long Road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Velachery. And on the other side, that is over this side road, will connect you towards Anna Salai. Now about the further connectivity, so you can connect to Phoenix Market City Mall in just 1.5 kilometers. And you can connect to International Airport within 7 kilometers from the project. So now let's have a look at your 4 BHK of 2,475 square feet super built up area. So this is the main entrance, and over here they are providing you with the video door phone and even the digital door lock. Now let's enter towards your beautiful and spacious rectangular living and dining area. So this is the beautiful living and dining area with the interior. You can check out how beautifully the interior work is done for your reference. So here this side you can set your sofa set like this, and even the living area is connected to the balcony. So this is a perfect balcony with perfect city view, with 2-side open view, toughened glass railing and anti-skid tiles. Now, let me show you the dining area. So exactly over this side is the dining area. So you can easily set your dining table over here. And now, about the kitchen area, which is over this side. So here they are giving you the open kitchen concept, which makes it more spacious. So here the interior work is done very well with the platforms, cabinet as well, and the kitchen area is pretty good spacious, isn't it? Here they are providing with a window for ventilation purpose. And about the utility area. So this is the utility area with anti-skid tiles. Now about the bedroom space. So the 3 of the bedroom are on my right hand side and 1 bedroom on my left hand side, which is the guest bedroom. So this is the entrance of the guest bedroom, and you can check out the huge bed space over here, the wardrobe space, the windows, and again they have added up a couch over that side. And yes, about the washroom. So here comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So even there is a wardrobe space over this side. Now let's move towards the rest of the bedroom. So walking through your living and dining area, you can check out how spacious this house looks, isn't it? Now, so this side are the 3 bedrooms But before that, let me show you the common washroom, which is over this side. So the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the bedroom space, so bedroom number 2. The beautiful bedroom with a perfect bed set, the wardrobes and the window. So here they are providing with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and again you can check out the beautiful city view from here. Now let's move towards another bedroom which is exactly in front of this bedroom. So here is the entrance. Here they have given you the lobby space for your privacy, which directly do not open towards your bed. So now this is the space you can check out with the bed space, the pretty good bed space. Here they have given you the window. So this side is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now about the washroom is over this side. So this is the washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now yes, about the master bedroom. So we'll be moving towards master bedroom, but before that let me tell you what all features Housey is here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All this wonderful features under housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Go and register quickly and schedule your free site visit. Now let's move towards master bedroom. So this is the entrance for the master bedroom, and once you enter you can check out the space. Here they are providing you with the wooden finishing flooring, and this is the bed space, the wardrobe space, and about the window. So in the master bedroom they are providing you with the huge windows. Another 2 plus points for the master bedroom is the washroom. One is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And this side, the sit-out area, that is your beautiful balcony with 2-side open view of the city, anti-skid tiles and toughened glass railing. Isn't it beautiful, guys? So this was all about your 4 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Puravankara Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.